This is the real estate knowledge that will get you back in control and allow you to determine your destiny.
It's not something that anyone is teaching.
I just continue to go with the process.
Now I can move confidently, even when I don't necessarily know everything.
Left hemisphere, that's a dome splitter. Yeah, control our own destiny. Make moves, cultivate whole legacy. Create a finance, bring more ecstasy. The right ingredients. Now that's a dope recipe.
Hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, I want you to consider subscribing if you feel like we bring you some value. All right, or you could just be a player about it. Hit that subscribe button. I'm here to talk to you today to tell you a little bit about who I am. All right. But first, my goal for this training is, if you are new to real estate investing and you don't know anything about it, well, you're on the right path, because you are going to start learning real estate the right way from the beginning. So you don't have to unlearn all the things that, are wrong about the traditional way. Now, if you're an experienced investor, don't worry. I got you too, because you won't have to go through all of that stuff that traditional investing makes you go through, right? Inspections, appraisals, needing a realtor. You can scale your real estate business, take the reins off. All right. And this is going to give you a lot of knowledge in terms of how to find off market, no competition leads, and just do it a little bit better. Now, the thing is, guys, I've done traditional real estate investing. I was an investor for 3 years the traditional way, and I did 3 fix and flips in 3 years while I was working full time. Partner was a business, my business partner was a doctor. All right. And they still wouldn't loan him money. The banks would not loan him money. But that's the thing. I mean, have you ever had the feeling that the banks don't want you to get ahead, right? Like, you've done everything you can to get your credit right and to be approved for them to loan you the money that you need to get the kickstart, but they still will not loan you money for whatever reason. All right. They come up with any reason for that. And I got tired of that. And I was tired of working for a boss that didn't care about me. So I decided to bet on myself. I got fired from my job. I mean, it was a whole, like, it all collided at one time, and I could make the choice to go down that same old road that I had been down before, right? Or this new opportunity that was in front of me, right? But it wasn't a new opportunity, it was real estate. But I always thought that I needed money to make money. So, man, when I got fired, I lost a deal at the same time. I said, you know what? I'm betting on myself, and I'm getting into this real estate investing. And my business partner says to me, he came up with the idea of, why can't we take over somebody's mortgage? I had never heard of it, just like you, never heard of it. Okay. So don't feel bad. Like, that's the way it starts out, because this stuff is buried away. But the difference is, I was looking for a new opportunity. All right. Now, this is the thing, guys. If you have been to, listen, everybody's an expert now. Everybody is an expert or a coach. Well, coming into 2023, you're going to see a lot of those people disappear, because during COVID, people were locked in their houses, so they were able to consume more content. And a lot of people learned that they could read other people's results. And it was rather easy to start a coaching business, not too expensive to start it. If you just get on social media and tell people, hey, I'm an expert, I can coach you, here's how much it costs, and you're a great marketer. A lot of people did that, and they never got the results. But other people, clients, consumers, were hungry for a new opportunity. They weren't at work. They got fired from their job. I mean, it was a crazy, time. The consumers weren't vetting these people like they should have been. So now in 2023, you, right, as a client, as a student, you're going to want to see receipts. You're going to want to see results, right? Show your work. Okay. So you're going to see that. You're going to see that here. This is not the same old typical webinar or seminar that you've been to before, and it's all rah motivating, but you come out at the end asking yourself the same question: how am I going to buy these houses? I know how to do all this other stuff, find deals, analyze deals, fix, flip, all this stuff, but how do I pay for it? That's not a question you're going to have to answer after this. After getting to the Go-Getter family, we are going to teach you to become the bank. And what I've been doing when I've been buying houses left and right. I own 8 houses right now. And I was compelled to get this information and this knowledge out to the people. And I accidentally became a coach. People started reaching out to me. The Go-Getter family was born, man. And that name was given. It was not, I did not just conjure it up. But I had to get this information out to everybody, because this is the real estate knowledge that will get you back in control and allow you to determine your destiny. Write your own book because you have the information now. But this is the thing, a lot of people have these limiting beliefs. Okay, and we've got to talk about this first, and then I'm going to get into some technical stuff for you guys. But limiting beliefs, right? And I call them gaps too, right? We've got gaps of my checking account is running low. I don't get paid for another 2 weeks. Oh, I don't have enough time because I'm working. And then, we don't do anything, right? So the first thing is I need money to make money. Well, I'm going to show you if you have some money, cool, right? You can put that into your real estate investing business, your marketing arm, and we can acquire properties for a lot less money by taking over that mortgage. So, but you don't need money to make money. You need determination, heart, right? You got to have good credit. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you in this training how that's not true. I have to be a realtor. Listen, guys, we can do this in all 50 states, and you don't have to have any certifications or any licenses. Oh, that's a big dream, right? So we you know about this new knowledge, right? This new way of doing things, and you have hope, and you can see it, and then you go tell some of your friends or some of your family, and some of them do it out of spite. They discourage us when we want them to encourage us, and others do it thinking that they're protecting us. But they're discouraging us from chasing our dreams because that's what they know. But the world is a different place today. We have more access to knowledge and we have more reach. We have more reach. Time and geography no longer matter because of the internet. You can do this real estate investing virtually. I've networked with people all around the world, not even the country, all around the world, and it has helped me to grow. So this is not too big of a dream. Nothing is too big. I'm living a life that's insane right now that I never even dreamed of. Now is not the right time. There will never be a perfect time. Never, because there's always something. We should always be adjusting things anyway to grow and get better, right? But some people feel like before they'll do anything, they have to know everything, right? You've got to know everything. You got to know how it's going to play out. You got to know all the information, and you get analysis paralysis. And a lot of people don't understand that we will never really know anything until we actually do something. Okay, until we actually do something. And if we are tired, sick and tired of the outcome of our income, well, we've got to change the input. And there's a gap in knowledge. We've got to change the input, though, right? We've got to, because we don't have that knowledge right now. You need a bank or a lender. I'm going to show you how you become the bank. All right. What will people think? Guys, I'm not even going to sit up here and try to sugarcoat it. People thought I was insane. They literally, thought I was insane. Nobody told me I was insane to my face, but I mean, I got those quizzical looks like, you sure you can do that? I don't think you can. No, well, no, I've heard that. I said, okay, all right. Okay, cool. That's what you heard. I can show you better than I can tell you. And soon as I started showing, oh, my phone got a lot busier. My phone got a lot busier because it's houses. These are houses, guys. This is something of substance. It is substantial. We need food and water, clothing, and shelter. So if we have the ability to buy investment properties and help people that are in distressed situations, well, that we are going to be like a magnet for pretty much everybody. So be prepared for that, guys. But you got to show first. Listen, guys, my grandma told me this. My grandma told me this, man. I love grandma. A person can tell you anything, but they will show you everything. They will show you everything. So I never let a person tell me who they are because they'll always show me. Always. And that's what you believe. Now, this is the thing. I don't know how. Well, understanding this too, every master was once a disaster. I don't think you guys heard me. I'm going to rewind it. Every master was once a disaster. Okay. So we aren't born an expert. We just don't know what we don't know. But this is the thing. We can learn that. We can develop those skills. The fundamental pieces that you need. I'm going to go over some of the, I'm going to go over actually the Go-Getter family's 16 success principles. I'll go over them quickly, but we can develop that. If you don't know how, neither did I. Neither did I. I didn't know what I would say to a person, right? You're probably asking yourself that right now. What can I say to a person to get them to let me take over the debt? Who? Where do I find these people? Who is going to do that, right? I don't know where to look. Well, I didn't either. I didn't. But guess what? I'm a nationally renowned expert now with this. But that's because of the hard work and tenacity. And I wasn't doing this to become a nationally renowned expert. No, I had no idea about it. I wasn't doing that for that. I was doing it for my family. What I wanted was to be my own boss, man. You know, to not have to work for somebody else. But what I really wanted, guys, was to get control of my time, right? To control my life, to quit waking up in the morning with angst and anxiety because I had to go give most of my day to this place, this job, man. It just doesn't feel natural. I got fired from so many jobs. Listen, if you don't think that you can do this, you don't know how. Guess what? I graduated third from last in my high school class. Third from last. What if I fail? If you want to talk about failing, guys, well, I failed a million times then. A million times. But think about this. The phone that you're on right now watching this training, or the computer that you're on watching this training. Do you think that a person thought that in their mind, right? Visualize that, like, oh, that'd be cool if we had that thing. And then the very first time that they put it together and created it, made it a thing, that it worked? Huh? Answer that to yourself, right? Everything that we're using, everything. It didn't work the first time it went from somebody's mind into the world, because that's where everything starts, is in our mind. And when we can control that, we are limitless. You ever seen that Limitless movie where the dude takes the pill and he could just learn languages, play piano, drive fast cars, all that stuff? That's what controlling your mind does. I don't know about learning a language in 2 seconds, but I feel limitless, and my life actually reflects that too. So I want that for you too. I don't have time, guys. I mean, really, when we want something, and we want different. See, you got to ask yourself this question. You got to answer it too. Are you to the point of disgust with whatever the situation is, whatever the scenario is, right? And you might have a high-paying job, right? What do they call those, golden handcuffs, right? Corporation pays you a lot of money to give your life force to them, your time, right? Or you may be in a situation where you're broke, man, and you ain't got it. Well, you're the primary person that needs this too. But if you got to decide that you are disgusted with that, and now you will let nothing hold you back and stop you from having the life that you want. And so if you feel like you don't have time, well, then damn it, make time, because we will make time for the things that we care about the most. I quit caring about that job, but I had to bet on myself. I walked a tightrope too, guys. I walked a tightrope. All right. So those are our limiting beliefs, guys. Let's get those out of our mind.
I'm a go-getter.